membrane, which contains a transport system to generate ATP. Chemiosmosis refers to the movement of hydrogen ions across a membrane coupled with an electron transport system to generate ATP. In eukaryotic cells, chemiosmosis takes place in the mitochondria. Depicted here are the mitochondrial matrix and intermembrane space, separated by the inner membrane, which contains the protein complexes for chemiosmosis. For clarity, chemiosmosis refers to the movement of hydrogen ions across a membrane coupled with an electron transport system to generate ATP. In eukaryotic cells, chemiosmosis takes place in the mitochondria. Depicted here are the mitochondrial matrix and intermembrane space, separated by the inner membrane, which contains the protein complexes for chemiosmosis. For clarity, chemiosmosis is often shown on a diagram such as this one. The top half is the intermembrane space. The dark strip is the inner membrane of the mitochondria, and the bottom half is the mitochondrial matrix. The purpose of the protein complexes is to pump hydrogen ions into the intermembrane space, as illustrated here. This is accomplished by transporting electrons through the complexes. The electron transport system begins in complex 1. Here, NADH plus H plus is oxidized to NAD plus and loses 2 hydrogens. To understand this oxidation reaction, we must break the process down and then piece it together, almost as if we were trying to. Once NADH plus H plus moves into complex 1, it undergoes oxidation through the loss of 2 hydrogen ions and 2 electrons. Then, NAD plus leaves the complex and 2 hydrogen ions are pumped into the intermembrane space. The 2 electrons then pass into ubiquinone, or Q, which carries them to complex 3. A similar process occurs in complex 2, where FADH2 is oxidized to FAD, and 2 electrons are transported by Q to complex 3. As Q deposits electrons into complex 3, the electrons are in a state of high energy. If one compares energy to love, at this stage of the electron transport system, an electron could almost break into song and exclaim, "I've got all my life to live! I've got all my love to give!" As the electrons are transferred from Q to complex 3, they release energy and transition to a lower energy state. The energy released is used to pump hydrogen ions into the intermembrane space.